In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your Webflow design for mobile devices using the grid feature. As we know, creating a seamless experience across different devices is key to maintaining user engagement and satisfaction. So, let's dive into it and address the common issue of elements not being properly spaced on mobile. First, go ahead and open Webflow and navigate to the project you're working on. Once you're in, you'll need to identify the section of your design that needs adjustments, specifically the part you want to format into a grid. Click on that section because this is where we'll be making the necessary changes to ensure it looks great on mobile devices. Now, let's take a moment and switch the view to mobile. You can do this by clicking the mobile icon, which will allow us to see exactly how the design looks and functions on smaller screens, like a smartphone. This is crucial because, often, designs that look perfect on a desktop might not translate well to a mobile format. Here's where a common issue surfaces. You might notice that your elements are not being displayed or spaced correctly on the mobile view. Don't worry, we've got a simple fix for that. Next, we'll be working with the grid layout to solve this issue. Locate and click on the grid under the Layout section. Once you click it, you might notice that something unexpected happens. The grid disappears from your view, but don't panic. This is just a little quirk we can easily navigate around. To proceed, click on Edit Grid. Within the grid settings, you'll see options for managing columns and rows. It's important that we ensure these align correctly to enhance the user experience. Let's start by adding more rows. Look for the plus icon, which you'll find under Rows. Click this icon and it will allow you to add the necessary number of rows that best suit your design. Now, we need to adjust the columns as well. You might find that there's an extra column that you don't need and which could be skewing your layout. To fix this, go to the Columns section and simply delete one column. You'll do this by selecting the column you want to remove and clicking the Trash button right next to it. And there you have it. The unnecessary column is gone, and with that simple action, you'll notice a visible improvement in how the elements are spaced on the mobile view. Be sure to review these changes and ensure everything is aligned correctly and looks professional. By mastering these few steps, you're well on your way to creating a smoother, more visually appealing mobile layout. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Webflow tips and tricks.